Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Quant price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $100.3 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had been trading within, which is this ascending channel, which gave us a breakdown to the lower side in a move that has now given us a low at around the $102.1 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our bear market low at around the $40.1 mark, we started this 5-wave structure to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $229.9 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $134.4 mark and the $80.7 mark. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where you can see that I've been terming this as the wave A, giving us a low at around the $94.4 mark, then a wave B giving us a peak at around the $165.5 mark. And I'm now expecting one more leg down here on the Quant chart in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize our red target area in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2. So here on the Quant chart, on the breakdown targets, I'm expecting that in case Quant continues to see further breakdown, and then at some point we lose the $100.3 mark, which is a key area of support, then I'll be expecting to see a successful retest before we can continue heading further down, lose the low that we made at around the $94.4 mark in the formation of this wave A, continue heading further down and fully maximize my red target area down here in the formation of this wave 2. And that means that Quant soon might see the $80-point-something mark very soon in the formation of this wave 2, and also fully maximize our red target area in the formation of that wave 2. And I think once we see such a move, then that will be another perfect entry to get back into Quant, so that we can be able to ride that massive pump to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. But that move doesn't mean that we can't see short-term bullish movements here on the Quant chart. That is still a possibility that we can see. And at the time of these recordings, since we are trading at around the $104.1 mark, there are chances that we can see a bit of a recovery. And the next key area that we can watch is at around the $106.6 mark, which is now acting as resistance. And in case we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then we can watch the area at around the $110.9 mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And I think these key areas of resistances are key decision areas, because in case we get rejected, then we can expect further pullback to the lower side, maybe to get us back into this red target area and also fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 2. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 41 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross suggesting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.